everybody, it's your girl Thamie coming to you with another video. In today's video I finally got my tubes. I'm so excited about these tubes. It just brings me back to when I first started Made by Thamie, when I first launched it. So these tubes were the first tubes that I got. So they are with the brush, the felt tip, and I had black and white tops because I didn't know what I wanted to do with the business, and I just wanted to try different things, you know. And then I switched to the brush tips, which are down here. Then I switched to the brush tips. Now there's nothing really wrong with the brush tips, I just don't like it. And the first ones, my logo wasn't 100% complete. It just said Made by Thamie and it was in black. I decided to switch that up a little. But before we reveal the tubes, let me just put on some lip gloss. This is holy water. It is crystal clear and peppermint scented, and it does feel like you have like peppermints on your lips. It really feels like you're eating peppermints when you lick your lips, which is why I love it. It smells so good. Yeah, that's my favorite everyday lip gloss. My favorite everyday, my go-to, my goat. And then behind that one is Grace. Behind holy water is Grace. Grace is our red lip gloss, which is not highly pigmented, but it just shows like a slight red tint, and everybody loves it. I sold out of it from my vendor's event last year, and I haven't been able to make any ever since because I've just been working so much. Yeah, so I have that. Enough of me rambling, okay? I already opened the box and I took a peek at it because I couldn't wait. I took a look at one, which was this one, which wasn't in a pack. So I decided to stick with the black tops, and instead of the black logo, I decided to put my logo in white, and I did go back to the felt tips. Yeah, I did go back to the felt tips, and yeah, this just really reminds me of like the first time I was launching my brand. I was excited, I was ecstatic, and I was also nervous because it was something I was doing for the first time. I didn't know what I was doing. Now that I've relaunched for a couple of times now, I think this time I'm ready. I am super ready to take on the journey and not being burnt out, because that's mainly the reason why I stopped, is because I was feeling burned out. I really wasn't feeling myself. So I was battling, like I had a battle in my mind that was just horrific. So I just stopped doing it for a little bit, and then thought about it the end of last year. I thought about it in November, and then there was this in October actually. There was a women's event and at my church, and they were like, oh yeah, they were having vendors around, and it was just basically women that were part of the ministry, and they told everybody. All my friends kept telling me, yeah, you better get it on there, and I was like, I don't want to. And then they convinced me, and I decided to do it, and I'm so happy that I did it, because if I didn't do it, I wouldn't really understand certain things, and I would have definitely just given up and give everything I have away. But I'm so glad I didn't give up, and I kept sticking to it. So this relaunch that will come, it really gonna be one of the best relaunch and my history and the business history, and I'm super excited. I'm still I didn't get boxes because my vendor was they were gonna be closed for the holiday, and I think I have some boxes here still, but I don't know, so I have to find that out if I still have more boxes, because I know I have boxes from the holiday. I have like Christmas boxes and stuff like that, so maybe I will use that, maybe not, you never know. So yeah, I am so happy to announce that we will be relaunched. Like, I will relaunch my brand on February 14th. I am working hard. That is less than a month away, but I don't know if I want to. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to launch, because I have a couple ideas that I have to write down and that I have to work on, but there are other things that I need to get before. So it might be February 14th, it might not, because February 14th is literally in 2 weeks, so I don't want to do that to myself. And again, I have to reach out to my vendor to find out when I can get my boxes, when I can make my boxes and get them done and delivered to you. These took about 2 to 3 weeks, because I ordered them on the beginning of the year, like January, and then it got to me on Friday, I think January 19th. Yeah, it got to me on Friday, so I'm really excited. So the relaunch might be, right now it's still in the air, it might be February 14th, or if not, it's gonna be in the middle of March, because it's either so it's gonna definitely be a spring collection, and then I will be coming out with Mother's Day collection, because my birthday's in April. There's no way I'm doing anything in April, so it's definitely gonna be Mother's Day. There's gonna be a Mother's Day collection, and I have a special collection that will be coming in December. So I'm just putting everything out there. So we're gonna have 3 collections for this year. One is for the relaunch, which may or may not be February 14th or the middle of March. I don't know what date for March yet, so it might be February. If it's not February 14th, it's gonna be in the middle of March, and then the next collection is gonna be a Mother's Day collection, and that is gonna be in May. Mother's Day, May, yeah. And then the third collection is gonna be around the end of the year. I definitely know when I want to launch it, because it's a date that is dear to my heart. It's gonna be dedicated to someone that is very dear to my heart, and yeah, it's gonna be dedicated to a few people that are dear to my heart and that are no longer with us. So I wanted to make a collection that I don't want to say too much. I'm gonna cut that part out because I don't want to say too much. But yeah, the December is gonna be a special one. It's gonna be a very, very, very special one. Yeah, so if you guys want to see more of the behind the scenes of how we are gonna do this, click the subscribe button because there are a lot. We're gonna be packed this year. Alright, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.